Okay, so we're trying to get it fired up for this drive. That battery's pooched. Can't get it to run. So before we go buy another battery, he has another one, but it's not a GM battery. So this one's got the front terminals. And so we need a battery with this one's got both, but we got to wire some top terminal connectors onto this so they won't reach. So we're probably going to steal a length of wire off this and wire some on, and then use that battery he has. Trying to get her, boys. I don't know why the tires are spinning backwards. I'm not sure as to why. Okay, so we got these terminal connectors that go from the GM style battery to the conventional normal battery. So the hardware store in town happened to have those. They had one set left, $10. So we went in and picked those up, then we fired it up and it wouldn't start. You just had to kind of burn on the starter. It wouldn't go, it wouldn't stay idling. So we revved it and held it at RPM, about 2,000 for a few minutes, and then it would idle. It was whining really bad, so we threw some power steering fluid in there, and now it's so quiet. Listen how quiet it is. Like, it runs better than my truck. It's been sitting for years. It runs better than the Dodge. And it looks pretty good. It's a good looking truck. So I was telling the old man, like, he's probably gonna have to sell it. We'll try not to damage it too bad. Because, like, it's just a good looking truck, and listen how quiet it is, boys. It's unbelievable. Unbelievable how quiet it is. It's got a lot to it. The old man says it's pretty good off-road. There's a couple fields around here we can take it in and see if we can have some fun with it. So, all going on today. I'm happy that I'm getting this video made for you guys because that was the plan. The dog wants to go for a ride so bad. Poppy, come on, come on. Can't get her to get out of there. No brakes. I should have been recording. So there's no brakes. You can see here it's peeing brake fluid pretty good. And then the old man tried to hit the emergency brake cable, or the emergency brake, and the cable just snapped. That was funny. You can see here, boys, it's peeing brake fluid pretty good. So when I went to pull ahead to back it up to put some more air I went to pull ahead to put some more air into the tire. I was going to back it up. I just about ran into my rental. So I didn't realize there was no brakes, and I came forward, and luckily I didn't have enough momentum, but it stopped me. But I would have hit the rental. That wouldn't have been any good. So there's no brakes at all, which is not crucial, but it's kind of important. It looks like I won't be driving it out west because there's no brakes on it. But we can still rip it around in the field. Why is it beeping at my door? Seatbelts. Oh, this thing's got a seatbelt beeper? Yeah. Jeez, wow. thought it was like a 99. We probably should have seatbelts on anyways, considering there's no brakes in the truck.
You can get a cigarette later.
Oh, wow. Jeez. Oh, it's smooth, eh? Smooth ride. Like, I think it might be smoother than your new truck.
Transmission shifts okay.
Nice.
Fast to the brake line.
But we're not changing a brake line in it. Or did you do that on this yourself?
No, I didn't like doing that shit. So
No.
I don't do it.
Yeah, wow. Wow. Watch him go. You're in 4? Like, that works pretty good, hey? Wow. Why is it beeping?
Could be because of the brakes.
It doesn't. Oh, I guess it might know about that.
You see it?
Yeah. It might know about that. It seemed like that'd be pretty advanced. It's not throwing a lighter. I guess that's probably what one of those lights is on the dash.
Those are brake lights and red lights.
Yeah. Well, looks like you know how to drive a truck with no brakes. Come in slow when you get around the house. Wow. Still got it, eh? I didn't know if you knew how to drive fast anymore. So what about two-wheel drive? What can it do in two-wheel drive?
Probably wouldn't even hard to go. Too many. And she's ready for like some. Once you point her at the pond, there'll be no stopping her. Look at the plow job.
I know.
Holy, eh?
And solid, like. Uh-oh. Oh, you're just gonna slam it into park if you have to. Not going too fast there, backing up, hey. Scared me. Okay guys, so the old man's got a name for this one. It's called the Blue Oiler. So he doesn't change the oil in his vehicles. He hasn't changed the oil in this ever. What is it, 120,000 kilometers? Hasn't had an oil change. And you guys saw what it can do. I'm blown away by how solid it is. I'm just squawking on it. I don't think I've ever driven a truck like that hard. And I was really squawking on it. I don't want to roll it, and like it's got no brakes, so it's kind of scary, but it just goes. And the front end's so solid. It's quite a bit more solid than my truck. I definitely cannot do that in the Dodge, or the front end would be destroyed. It'd be throwing parts for sure. So this was parked in the tall grass for 2 years and 3 months. And through all we did, you guys saw, we threw a battery in it and it fired right up. And then you saw what it can do here. The old man said he's never done any tie rods, ball joints, nothing like that to the front end. And this is the type of stuff he drives around through all the time. So to be honest, I'm quite impressed with the truck. So now I'm wondering if we should see if it's amphibious, because the old man doesn't know if it has that option or not, but we're going to find out. And then we'll go from there. What do we got over here, boys? What do we have over here? Oh, what's that? Looks like a little bit of a body of water, doesn't it? So here's the thing, guys. This truck, it's been sitting for a few years. The old man's not using it anymore, but you've seen what it can do. It's a solid farm truck. It's got the transfer case, the 4.8 liters strong, the rear end's strong in it. The body's not too bad. There might be some parts the guy can take off of there. Now in Ontario where we live, you got to get safety on your vehicle. So no one's going to be able to put this on the road without doing extensive repairs. So, but he still could sell it as a parts truck. Like, it's worth $1,000 or more as a parts truck to somebody out there right now. Now, the other option, the other thing we could do with it, so the old man could take it and just sell it and make himself a little bit of money, you know, help out around the farm, that'd be great, right? Or we can splash it into there. You guys, I want you guys to vote down below, write in the comments down below what you think we should do with this truck, whether he should hold on to it and keep it good and make a little bit of cash out of it, and then like the parts go to a good home and somebody gets to fix up their old GM, or whether or not we should just send it right into there. And so vote, write in the comments down below, and I want to hear what you guys have to say, and the most votes wins. Thanks for watching.